Hello, where are we going today?
Today we are going to Bandung.
Hooray!
Lamun lain teteh awewe na Kela anan kudu kawin harita.
Dadah. Dadah Oma.
Dadah.
Mau kemana Oma? Rapi banget Oma.
Kita kan mau ke family gathering.
Family gathering.
Aib semua.
Gayun. Pecut.
Hai, Abah, kakak.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is special because it's our family gathering trip to Bandung. Before heading to the villa, we stopped by a beautiful spot called Taman Hutan Raya in Senor Haji Djuanda, or just Tahura for short. It's a huge forest park filled with fresh air and greenery. It's the perfect place for a quick picnic or a full day of adventure. At Tahura, there are so many attractions: playground, cafe, an open-air stage, outbound area, several artificial caves from the colonial era, a deer sanctuary, and even a few waterfalls. We did not explore the whole park this time since we only stopped by for lunch, but it's definitely worth visiting if you are a nature lover. The entrance ticket is also super affordable. It's under 20,000 rupiah or less than $2. After lunch, we continued our trip and arrived at our stay for the night, a super cozy and aesthetic villa called Villa Aimo Dago. When you arrive, you will walk down a few stairs from the upper parking area. The parking space fits around 2 cars, which is great, but it's a bit unfortunate that they don't provide a slope or ramp-style pathway from the carport to the villa entrance. Something more elderly-friendly would have been really nice to have. We got here quite early, so I couldn't record the entire villa. At that time, only the first floor was ready for us to use. But actually, this villa has 2 floors with 4 bedrooms in total. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, each with a queen-size bed. The first room even has its own private bathroom. And there's one more shared bathroom on the 2nd floor. Downstairs, there's another bedroom with double queen-size bed and one more bathroom too. The interior design is really pretty and aesthetic, totally Instagrammable. The kitchen is well equipped too. There are cooking utensils, plates, a microwave, a dispenser with hot and cold water, and even a rice cooker. They also have a grill set so you can cook together or have a barbecue night with your family or friends. All the bathrooms come with water heaters and hair dryers, which is super nice, especially in Bandung's chilly weather. There's also a billiard table and a smart TV with karaoke mode in the living room. It's perfect for family gatherings. We had so much fun singing, laughing and playing together. And now my favorite part is the pool area. From the living room you can open the big sliding glass doors that lead straight to the patio and the private pool. The pool faces directly toward the valley, so you can get this amazing view of the hills. So here's a little glimpse of our fun moments at the villa. Happy watching!
Waiting for time, will I be better off? Play a lovely melody or nothing at all. Seeking my pride when there was nothing to hide. Let me just waking up together with you. Thinking of fantasy
semua. Dadah. Dadah, dadah, Gian. Dadah, dadah Tante Cin. Dadah. WhatsApp bro, dadah, dadah Lip Gesan. Dadah.
After checking out from the villa, we stopped by Raja Sunda Restaurant for lunch before heading back home. It was the perfect way to wrap up our family gathering, enjoying delicious food together before returning to our daily routines.
Oma kenyang, Oma. Oma kenyang, Oma. Alhamdulillah. Tante Icin kenyang nggak, Tante Icin? Alhamdulillah.
Om Awan kenyang nggak?
Om Awan kenyang nggak?
Om Awan kenyang nggak?
Alhamdulillah.
Minum kopi. Saya mau kita boleh. Nah, udah edit lagu.
As we drove home, I realized that no matter how busy life gets, nothing compares to the time we spend with our loved ones. Family moments like this can never be bought. They're truly priceless. No amount of money can buy the warmth and happiness we share together because, really, moments with family are something money cannot buy.
We never changed, we never left, so I wanna live in a